Hello everyone. So in this particular video, we are going to start a new topic that is a Snowpipe. So what is a Snowpipe? What is the use case? What is the advantage? Everything we will discuss in this video. So let's start. What is a Snowpipe? Snowpipe is Snowflake continuous data ingestion service that automatically loads a new file into Snowflake as soon as they arrive in a stage. So what generally we do in a Snowflake? Whenever you receive any file, what we do, we create a stage, and from stage, if you have to load the data into a table, what we do, we write a copy into command, then only the data will be loaded into a table. Now let's take a one scenario. Let's take a one scenario. Suppose you have a cloud. In this cloud, you are continuously getting a files every 5 minutes. So every 5 minutes I am keep on getting a new files. Now in this case, how your design will be. So from cloud, you are receiving a file continuously, right? Now what we can do, we can create a here external stage. We can create a external stage. Now external stage means whatever the files are receiving in the cloud, right? As soon as the files are receiving in a stage, you will be able to see those files. Whatever the files you are receiving in a cloud, with the help of the external stage, you will be able to see that file in a stage also, because in external stage we pass a URL. This URL will point to this cloud location. Now, as soon as you have a file in a cloud, you are able to see in the stage that also using a external stage. But this you have to load into a Snowflake table also. This we have to load into a Snowflake table also. And how we can load that? Using a copy into command. But whenever you will run this copy into command, then only that data will be loaded. But you can see the frequency, right? Every 5 minutes and every 2 minutes, I keep on getting the new files. So every time you have to run the copy into command, then only it will be loaded into a table. And running this copy into command every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, this is insufficient, right? This is not feasible. So to overcome this, what actually we can use a Snowpipe. What is Snowpipe? It is a continuous data ingestion service that automatically loads new files into a Snowflake as soon as they arrive in a stage. As soon as you are receiving the files in your stage, right? This will automatically load the data into a table. So we can use a Snowpipe. Instead of running the copy into command manually, what we can use a Snowpipe. This will what actually it will do, as soon as you are receiving the file in your stage, it will detect and it will load the data into a table. So if you have a scenario where you have to continuously load the data, right? What actually we can use? We can use a Snowpipe. Without Snowpipe, file receive, you had to run the copy into command manually, then only the data will be loaded. But with Snowpipe, as soon as file arrives, right? Snowpipe will detect the file, it will automatically execute the copy into command, and data will be loaded. So that is the advantage we get in a Snowpipe. Why was Snowpipe introduced? So problem statement is like, if you keep on getting new files every 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 10 minutes, right? Now you have to load the data continuously. So for that the Snowpipe was introduced to load the data automatically. Now let's understand how Snowpipe works internally. So step 1 is like files arrive in a stage. So step 1 is like files arrive in a stage. The second step will be the cloud notification is triggered. So one cloud notification will be triggered, and after that Snowpipe receive the notification receive notification, and Snowpipe will execute the copy into command, and the data will be loaded, and data will be loaded into table loaded. Now how the things are working? As soon as you are receiving the files in your stages, what actually we can do? We can set one kind of the notification in a cloud. What this cloud will do? send a notification to your Snowpipe. As soon as Snowpipe will receive a notification like new file is received, what actually it will do? It will execute the copy into command automatically and the data will be loaded into a table. So that's how internally the Snowpipe works. Now what is the advantage of Snowpipe? Automatic loading, that is the biggest advantage we have, right? You do not have to schedule it. So no scheduler is required, automatically loading will happen. Near real-time data available within second and minutes, that is the advantage. Third is the serverless, no warehouse needed for ingestion. Next advantage is like incremental loading, so whatever the files are loading, right, whatever, so it will track that. Next is the scalable, it handle the thousand of the files, so it is a scalable also. Next is the reduce operational effort, no ADF airflow schedule every few minutes. So you can use a Snowpipe. As soon as files will arrive, you can load the data into a table. So this kind of the advantage we get in a Snowpipe. I hope you got the idea. Next video we'll try to do a practical and we'll understand more.